Today I am driving a Bentley GTC V8S.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
What a lovely place to be. I've driven these cars loads and loads and loads of times, so it's nothing new and too exciting for me, but I thought I should really share one of them with you, and this one's a pretty nice one. It looks great with the interior and the exterior spec, the black on the outside with the red leather inside. It looks really cool. The car in general, I mean, you can tell it's so quiet. We're driving with the roof down, 30 miles an hour, and it's just so comfortable and quiet and relaxing. It's just a really nice place to be. Feels a bit more sporty than a Rolls Royce, but it's ultimate luxury really. It's the Bentley brand. So under the bonnet is a 4-litre V8 twin turbo, kicking out many horsepower and many torques. I'm not sure off the top of my head because my memory is terrible, but let's say it has this many powers and torques. So yeah, it's quick. It's a quick car. It sounds good too, especially with the roof down. You've got no obstruction with that exhaust out the back, and it just sounds brilliant. The acceleration of the car is quite, it's a bit of a cliche to say it in a Bentley or a Rolls, but it's just very wafty. It just moves you along on a wave of power rather than you know, kicking you in the back of the head and throwing you back in the seat. It's a very comfortable way to go very fast. I actually drove one of these last week up to Newcastle, which is about a 6 or 7 hour drive from where we are now in Bournemouth, and it was just so relaxing. You have the massage seats on, obviously the roof up on the motorway, but it's just so quiet and comfortable, and it felt like a 2-hour drive. When you get out, it's just, you feel like you've just driven down the road. It's an excellent long distance cruiser. It is really probably one of the best all-round cars because it's fast. It's actually fairly economical. That run up to Newcastle, I did 28 miles per gallon over the run, which is good for a performance car. It's comfortable, it's quiet, it's refined when you want it to. When you don't want it to, you stick it in sport mode, and it's an absolute little weapon, and it sounds fantastic. So I mean, what else could you really want? It's got 4 big seats to carry 4 adults, and yeah, it's really, and you can have the roof down on your head or your hair if you happen to be that way inclined. So yeah, it's pretty good.
Would you buy one?
If it was my money, so this current example is up for £115,000. I don't know if it's not really my sort of car, but it is a very good car. I can really appreciate it, and I can really understand why people would buy one. I prefer something a bit more raucous, a bit louder, a bit firmer, a bit more like a track toy for the road. But for an everyday, relaxing, comfortable, really nice looking car, I can totally understand why someone would spend the money on it. But I just don't know if I would spend my money on it.
The trouble is you'd need to be like really rich to buy this. Because you'd have to, there's like a posh Audi.
Yeah, that's the thing. It is. Yeah, it is just a big. It is. But that's why I don't really understand buying like really expensive, comfortable things, because once you've got over the fact that it's a comfortable car, it's that's kind of it. It is a comfortable car. Like if you can't do anything else, then there's no point. But this can sort of, it's quick as well. So I don't know. Luxury cars now are getting very good at being like really comfortable and really fast. So it does have kind of a good blend, but it's just this is more of a long distance cruiser than a race car for the road, and that's what I'd spend my money on.